Power outages can be challenging, especially during the colder months. In this video, we'll show you how to keep your fireplace running during a power outage to stay warm and safe. First, let's talk about backup heating options. If you have a gas fireplace, you're in luck. Many gas fireplaces come with a manual ignition feature, so they can run even when the power is out. Check if yours has a battery backup for easy operation during emergencies. For those with electric fireplaces, a portable power source like a generator or an inverter can keep it running. Just ensure you have a reliable power source on hand before the outage occurs. Wood-burning fireplaces are a great non-electric fireplace option. Just make sure you have a proper fuel supply of wood and the necessary fireplace accessories ready to go. Remember, ventilation is key, so keep the flue open to prevent smoke from building up indoors. Safety is always a priority. Be mindful of carbon monoxide safety and keep a carbon monoxide detector near the fireplace. Regular fireplace maintenance also helps ensure your system operates safely during these times. By being prepared with emergency heating solutions and following these safety precautions, you can keep your home warm and comfortable during any power outage. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying cozy and safe.